Namaskar. Welcome to Tasty Town Recipes. Today I want to show you street style chili pakoda or mirchi bhajis. These chili pakodas are filled with tangy fresh carrot, which is famous street side snacks in Bengaluru. Here I am taking 6 bhaji green chilies. This green chili is specially used for pakodas, which has less spice and strong flavors. Chilies cannot be fried as a whole. It may burst inside the oil. So I cut straight line in middle of the green chili to remove all seeds because chili seeds trigger bloated stomach or other health issues. Now in a bowl I am taking 2 cups of besan or gram flour. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain. Add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or a hing. And also add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric. Add 1 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Add salt as per your taste. Mix the dry mixture properly. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add little by little cold water and mix the batter properly. Thick batter helps to remove any flour lumps easily. Whisk the batter continuously for 5 minutes. Have a look. The batter is smooth and silky, but the batter is little thick, so I'm going to add another tablespoon of water. Now again whisk the batter for 5 to 10 minutes. Whisking the batter will always help to get thick and fluffy coat on the bhajis. Have a look. The batter is perfect, thin and smooth consistency. Mix the batter continuously till the batter change the color to the creamy white. Have a closer look. This batter has changed the color and the perfect consistency. So I am keeping this batter 10 to 15 minutes for resting. Meantime, in a small bowl, add half teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/8 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Mix the cumin powder and salt properly. Now sprinkle the masala powder inside the green chilies. As I shown in the video, remove external powder. Adding more salt inside the green chilies will cause leave external water while deep frying. Now chilies are ready to go for frying. I am keeping oil for frying. I always use coconut oil for frying and cooking. Just before frying bhajis, I am going to add 1/8 teaspoon of Eno fruit salt instead of soda. Mix the batter slowly. Eno fruit salt is healthier when compared to the cooking soda. Besan batter is very fluffy and foamy too. I am checking the oil. It's perfectly hot. Take 1 whole masala green chili. Dip and roll inside the batter. Now carefully leave it inside the hot oil. As I shown in the video, sprinkle the hot oil on top of the bhajis. Fry bhajis in a medium flame. High flame frying will cause undercooked green chilies and the bitter taste outside. Always use fresh besan or gram flour. Old gram flour will always cause bhajis become dark red in color and also consume more oil. I have been frying these chili pakodas 6 to 8 minutes. Now it is perfect time to remove from the oil. Have a look. Perfect crispy layer outside. Now let us see how to make tangy carrot. Here I am taking half a cup grated carrot. Add 1/4 cup chopped onion. Now add half lemon juice and 1/8 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Mix it well and tangy carrot is ready. Now take fried chili pakoda and cut it in half as I shown in the video. Have a closer look how nicely it's cooked. Perfect layer of besan coat. Now cut the chili bhaji middle again. Fill the tangy carrot mixture as much as you like inside the green chili pakoda. Friends, Whenever eat pakoras with tangy carrots, will never get throat pain or bloated tummy or acidity problem. Carrot mixture help to digest easily. So, eat healthy and stay healthy. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for future video notification. Thank you.